today, look what we got, man. Look what we got. Look, I know I haven't been active in a while, right? But, bro, look, bro, we moved up. We got the house now. We got the garage. Bro, like, I've been a little MIA a little bit, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Long ass journey. I think the last time I posted a video was fucking July. No, was it July? It was July, either July or June. One of them shits. I'll put it up there. But yeah, man. Been MIA for a little bit. So a lot of shit happened, bro. Like a lot of shit, bro. So we're gonna get straight into it. I am gonna let you guys know. I'm probably gonna start switching up my content a little bit. Just a little bit, you know. I'm out here in the goddamn desert, as y'all can see. But yeah, man, just give y'all a little house tour, tell y'all what I've been up to and everything, and yeah. So let's get straight into the video, all right? So boom, as y'all can see, we still got the motherfucking Chally. Now, you're probably wondering, Carrie, why the fuck is your shit so damn dirty? Bro, I traveled from Columbus, Georgia, from Columbus to here. Bro, that's like a day and like 7 hours or some shit like that, right? On top of that, bro, we had to stay in a hotel from the 31st to what? The 31st to the 16th. I'm just trying to like kind of recap y'all. So the last time y'all saw me, I was at my baby shower, right? Doing a little baby shower in North Carolina. Since then, bro, we had to live in an empty house for at least a week. We lived in an empty house for a week. We were sleeping on air mattresses. They took our shit. We had to eat out every fucking day. Bro, that shit was so fucking ass. What else happened? Some good shit happened. God damn it. Hold on. Some good shit happened. Did get pinned, as y'all can see. Hold on. Put the bitch on right quick. A motherfucker did get pinned. So we big five around here. Oh, well, I said four. Big five around here. You know what I mean? So we did get pinned. What else fucking happened? Bro, I drove through Texas. No, I drove through Alabama, Illinois. Illinois is long as shit, by the way. Illinois, I drove through. All right, y'all, sorry about that. I had to fucking fix some shit. But yeah, okay, so driving through Alabama, Illinois, Texas. Stopped Texas for a little bit with my cousin for like maybe 2 days, right? After that, driving through the desert again, stopped in Arizona. After Arizona, I stopped, well, after Arizona was what? It was here. So I drove to here, and here we are right now. So, yeah, man, I told y'all I was gonna get a house and a garage, and I got that shit. So here we are right now. This is what we got. Little garage. It's dirty right now, but yeah. Also, killed the first scorpion here. Was a scorpion here. Yeah, so giving y'all a little preview. My car is dirty. I just moved, like I said. So I just want to go ahead and just fucking like, just think a little bit. Just kind of recap, like, damn, bro. I was living in this shitty ass little place right here. Fucking, a lot of y'all was like, bro really got a car before he got a house. Like, bro really got a car, got a house, or you living in the fucking trap house or Section 8 housing and blah, blah, blah. I'm like, bro, like, now I'm like, I went from this shitty ass place to now I got this fucking big ass crib a little bit. And so, bro, it's like beautiful. So I just wanted to like kind of recap a little bit. And yeah, so just give me a second.
Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night. So many people's going so much.
All right, we're good. So this is what y'all been waiting on right here. Little house tour. Just a little house tour. Right? So y'all already see the garage. Let's come straight to the doorstep. Right? This is what the house looks like from the outside. House looks like from the outside. Big ass crib. It's a townhouse. I don't even know why I'm saying it's a big ass crib. It's just a townhouse. Right? Let's come up to the door. Damn, okay, that's small. Yeah, these shits be hard as fuck to turn. Okay. God damn, why am I struggling so much? Hold on, I'm trying to break my damn key. What the fuck? Damn. Now I gotta get this damn key out of the fucking door. There it go. Okay, boom, we got it. Shit. Anyways, so look, this is where the living room is probably gonna be at. Right. Everything's on the floor. We don't really got furniture right now until the 20th. That's the 20th is when the movers come. So I'll do an updated house tour once I get it. But yeah, this is here. Okay. We got a little closet right here. Kitchen. Kitchen is a mess, obviously. We just moved in. Literally, we're on the fucking floor. It's a mess right now, but it's okay. We got outside right here. Little outside action going on. Go ahead and get the little view, man. Yeah. That little outside action. Yeah. We got a little what's this, a patio? We got a little patio going on, half of one, kind of. Fucking sun is beaming. Yeah. All right, let's go back inside. Okay. Another storage closet right here. We got a little laundry room in here. Laundry room. Set of shoes I got on. Yee! The damn mellows. AC. The bathroom is right here. This is the bathroom right here. This is one of them. One of three. One of three bathrooms. Man, what the fuck? Let's go upstairs. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Bedroom number one. This bedroom. Do have a closet in here. Probably my stuff is gonna be on this side, right there. Got the bathroom. Got the bathroom. This is a closet. Another bathroom. This is where I shit. I shit the most in here. Right in this little bathroom right here. It does come with a little door. That shit's kind of fire, I ain't gonna lie to you. Comes with 2 mirrors right there. It's another closet. This is the game room. This is the game room right here. Get out! It's the game room. right here. I'm probably gonna set up my stuff, start doing different content that I've been saying I was gonna do. Little closet right here. Okay, what's the game room? Oh, yo, look, these do open. This shit does open. Motherfucking slide action I could do right here. All right.
No, hold on.
Let's go here. This is the other room. Kids room, whatever. Right there. Nothing in here. This is their bathroom right here. There's another bathroom right here. Little bathroom. I need to get a cut. Damn! This is where I'm gonna be storing all my shoes, bro. The collection ain't there yet, okay? It ain't there yet. But I do got my own shoe closet, bro. My own shoe closet. See, I got the Mellows. I had them on my feet downstairs. We're trying to do no shoes on the carpet, so. Yep, that's that. Yep, but bro, that's pretty much it, bro. Like, I don't really have much. Oh, bro, this shit. If y'all have a Nest, bro, this shit is so ass, bro. Bro, this shit is ass, bro. It's been hot since yesterday when we moved in, and today is still hot, bro. It's 103 degrees outside, and they won't fucking fix it. Fucking burning right now. Yeah, y'all saw the room. We are sleeping on fucking air mattress right now until we get our fucking bed, which is coming on the 20th. So I'm gonna do an updated, little thing on these. I'm gonna do an updated house tour. But for right now, this is it. This is all I got. This is all I got. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right here. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. And we come back stronger, all right? I took a little break. And yeah, man, we gonna come back harder, stronger, and faster, and more harder, all right? Later.